welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make some coffee beans to put into the coffee canister we made the other day. This is a really simple little video. So I've conditioned a piece of polymer clay and I've rolled it into a ball. Okay, and I've just got some brown. This was, I can't remember what colour that was. Does it say? No, it was just one of the darker browns, that one there. Okay. So, and I got a soft because you know my hands don't work very well, so I prefer the soft. So I've just rolled it into a ball, and then I've sort of rolled it into sort of a lozenge shape. And I touched my little blade, pressed it down in the centre, like that, and there you have your coffee bean. I will just cook that now in the oven for the time that it says on the packet, and it's completely finished. And there you go. So here we have our tea, coffee and sugar pots all ready to go. I wonder what we'd like to have today. I think I'll have a cup of tea. So I'm just going to take out my little tea bag and pop it into my cup. I think that the dolls are going to love this. I think it'll be great fun for them. Thanks ever so much for watching. Goodbye.